WAL stock and PACW stock are both rallying in this session of the 17th of May 2023. This is on the news that Western Alliance shares, or rather its deposits, grew by more than $2 billion from March till Friday the 12th of May, and Bank of America Global Research resumed its coverage of the lender with a buy rating and a $42 price target. The company's business model was more resilient than perceived, according to Bank of America. More than 79% of Western Alliance deposits were insured, it said, higher than 68% as of the 31st of March. Deposit insurance has become a thorny issue for regulators and banks alike. Panic among customers holding more than $250,000 per account. The upper limit of the Federal Deposits Insurance Corporation's guarantee was a major reason for the demise of Silicon Valley Bank in March. Regional lenders have seen their stock valuations battered by worries around a broader crisis and funding costs, with consumers moving money into higher yield alternatives after 3 mid-sized US lenders collapsed over the past 2 months. So according to a Jefferies analyst, they expect betas to rise further as banks try to attract and retain deposits, while they shrink securities balances and increase wholesale funding in the light of an uncertain environment. Deposit betas gauge how much of changes in interest rates are passed on to consumers. Several analysts have been expecting a hit to the near-term profitability of banks as they pay out higher rates to attract customers. And then plus this is as it concerns PACW. So PACW's shares are currently up around 80% last time we checked, but we're going to have a look at it now. Okay, after seesawing over the past few sessions, rallying more than 18% on Monday, only to give those back yesterday or thereabouts. So, and indeed all the other stocks. So yes, you can see WAL appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend, driving SMACD above its signal line. So let's quickly have a look and see what's going on. This is the 1-minute live chart for WAL. So right now it is trading at $35.99. It has upper projections of 36.1 on this 1-minute live chart, 36.37 all the way towards 38.55, but it also has downward projections of 35.70, 34.59. so let's look at the daily chart and see what's going on there. On the daily chart, it's currently on its just above its most extreme upper projection. That's where it is right now, the most extreme upper projection. So the extreme upper projection is actually 34.80. so it's currently now a downward projection since it has rallied beyond that. So after that we have 26.04, but we have to look at the weekly chart to have a look at to get an impression of what the medium term projection is. So as it concerns the weekly chart, so it is definitely still below its most extreme upper projection. So we have 44.65 for WAL, and that is on the weekly chart, and 47.73. Okay, so let's quickly have a look at PACW, Pacific West Corp. So yes, it has more upper projections than Western Alliance does. So it's just resting slightly above its most extreme downward projection on this weekly chart. So in the intermediate period, upper projections for for PAC is 8.4 and 10.63, as well as 12.46. but let's have a look at the weekly chart. For the daily chart for PACW, we have a downward projection of 4.52, but upper projection of 6.9, 6.74, 7.74, 9.16, 10.97, and the most extreme one is 16.21. So let's have an idea of what's going on right now live for PACW. It is up 18.6%. So upper projections in this in the coming minutes, it may not happen. 5.77. Downward projections, we have 5.36 and 5.21 for PACW. Both stocks, PACW and WAL, Park West Bank Corp, both rallying and showing strength within a longer term downtrend. All of these coming on the news that Western Alliance deposit has grown by 2 billion since the 31st of March up till Friday the 12th of May. So that's some positive news. They are probably indicating that maybe the banking fear is maybe slightly abating. So see what you make of all of these, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.